typical South Alabama Thanksgiving. We got about 75 degrees at daylight. Mosquitoes and no deer. That's about typical. At least over here, I don't think these are like live deer over here. I think they're like phantom deer, you know. Get some pictures of them at night. See some deer tracks. But I don't think they're real. But no, seriously, the weather's terrible this morning. So I'm sitting here being bored, thinking about yesterday. We were on a different new place that we got permission to start hunting, and it's the most least obvious prime piece of hunting land, but it is loaded with deer, and it hasn't been pressured in years. But it has too many deer on it. It has a bunch of does and some bad genetics. So yesterday was the first day that we actually, with gun season, got to go on it. And we had a good morning. Honors fiance Anna. She actually killed one of the little scrubby bugs that we wanted to shoot, or at least let one of them shoot, and her Lily or somebody, my daughter. And he actually came out on them. Big body deer with this little scrubby rack that has this little horn growing out at the base. So we just kind of looks like that first time off of elk track. We named him Mr. Bugles. So she got to shoot him. And then about 10 minutes before that, I had a group of grown does come out on me. And no yearlings. And I shot one of the grown does. So I got some good meat for the freezer. Got some pretty good video of it. Had this dang cedar limb in the way when I was trying to shoot the doe, so I didn't get good footage of that. But I want to share it with you guys, so y'all check out the hunt from yesterday, where we actually had some action. Because you don't want to watch what I videoed today, because all I saw was a possum. I guess maybe I should have shot him, I don't know. But hey, y'all have a great day. Enjoy your family. If you get out in the deer woods, remember it's a heck of a lot better than being at work, even though the weather's terrible. Good luck to everybody. We are loaded down, fixing to head to a new piece of property we just got. We've had some cameras over there and been putting out some feed, but we haven't hunted at all. But this is the last weekend of bow season before our gun season comes in here in Alabama, and we're fixing to go see if we can put some meat in the freezer. Don't really look like hunting paradise, but this place is loaded with deer. To all our viewers out there just watching Bear Bottom Outdoors, we killing one today. I ain't saying it's gonna be a big. We killing one today. Yeah, put it right on his shoulder and squeeze. Smoking. He's dead. Me and Anna right here. Daddy just killed a big old doe. We had a buck coming in. His rack looks like an elk, so we named him Mr. Bugles. I don't know if you can tell, but he's laying out there and Anna just smoked him. Hey, I got that all on video. It's awesome. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, I don't know how much of that I got on video, but I just shot a doe. This place is wrapped up with deer, and it needs little managing. So we were gonna take out a few does. It was four grown does came out here, and I shot one of them. I don't think they had any yearlings or anything. There wasn't any with them. They were all grown. So fixing to go out here and see what I can find. She ran right through here somewhere. Yep, there's some blood right there. That's long, that's a good sign. Some more blood right there. Shot her with my wife's 7mm 08. I hope she didn't mind me borrowing it. Oh yeah, she's spraying blood out. Like she must have ran right down this trail over here. Oh heck, there she lays right there. All right, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, man, big old pretty good grown doe. Shot her right in the shoulder. I'm pretty sure she hadn't even had any yearlings. Nope, she's dry. Good doe to take. Finally, we've been needing some meat. Got some meat in the freezer. Thank you, Lord.